Good morning students. In the chapter Habitats of Organism, the next topic that we will be studying today is habitats. A habitat is an environment where the organisms are naturally found. The habitat provides an organism everything that it requires to survive and reproduce. Habitats are of different types and it consists of both the biotic and the abiotic components. Plants and animals tend to stay in one of the different habitats because the condition in that particular habitat is favorable and the chances of survival are greater. The habitats are grouped under two main categories, which is aquatic habitat and terrestrial habitat. Aquatic habitat is also called as the water habitat, whereas the terrestrial habitat is also called as the land habitat. Now we shall study about the aquatic habitats and the types of aquatic habitats. The aquatic habitat refers to the region which is covered with water where plants and animals survive. Aquatic habitat can be classified into freshwater habitat, marine habitat and coastal habitat. Freshwater habitat. These are the water bodies which are filled with fresh water. These include rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, etc. The water present in these habitats has very low concentration of salts. Plants growing in water are generally called as the hydrophytes. Small fishes, ducks, frogs are also found in the freshwater habitat. The next type of aquatic habitat is the marine habitat. Marine habitat covers about 3/4 of the Earth's surface. It includes oceans, seas and estuaries. Different varieties of organisms exist in the marine habitat. Organisms like corals, shelled animals, sponges, jellyfishes, sharks, seaweeds and many others are found in this habitat. The estuaries are regions where the saline water of the sea or ocean mixes with the fresh waters. And the last type of aquatic habitat is the coastal habitat. The coastal habitat is the region where the land meets the sea. It is the home of many marine animals such as crab, oysters, etc. Now we shall study about the terrestrial habitats. It refers to the land where all plants and animals survive. The terrestrial habitat is further classified into forest, grasslands, deserts, mountains and polar regions. Now we shall study about the forest habitat. Forest is a large area covered with plants. Forest covers about 1/3 of our planet. Most of the different types of plants and animals have forests as their habitat. Forest is broadly divided into 3 types, which is the tropical rainforest, the temperate forest and the boreal forest. Now we shall study about each of the forests. The tropical forest or the tropical rainforest are found between the equator and the 2 tropics, that is the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The habitat is warm and wet. Temperature of these forests ranges from 20 to 34 degrees Celsius. These regions receive heavy rainfall throughout the year with an annual rainfall of more than 200 centimeters. These forests are found in India, Malaysia, Southeast Asia, and South America. The plants that are found in the tropical forest are tall trees, creepers, orchids, vines, mosses, and ferns. Whereas the animals that are found in the tropical forest are bat, gorilla, monkey, macaw, and a variety of insects. The next type of forest is the temperate forest. Temperate forests are found in North America, Northeast Asia, and Western and Central Europe. The temperature of these regions ranges from -30 to 30 degrees Celsius. The annual rainfall in the temperate forest is about 150 centimeters. The temperate forests have well-defined winter and summer seasons. The plants that are commonly found in the temperate forest are maple, oak, and elm, whereas the animals that are commonly found in the temperate forest are mountain lion, bobcat, and black bear. The next type of forest is the boreal forest. The boreal forest is also called as the taiga forest. These forests are found in Canada, Russia, China, and North Japan. The temperature ranges from as low as -50 degrees Celsius to as high as 30 degrees Celsius. The annual snowfall ranges from 40 to 100 centimeters. The plants that are commonly found in the boreal forest are evergreen trees such as pine, fir, etc. Whereas the animals that are commonly found are wolf, fox, deer, woodpecker, and chipmunk. The next type of habitat is the grassland habitat. Grassland is a region dominated by long and thick grasses, as you can see in this picture. The temperature ranges between -20 degree and 30 degrees. The annual rainfall varies between 50 and 90 centimeters. Some animals that are commonly found in this habitat are giraffe, deer, zebra, lion, elephants, etc. The next type of terrestrial habitat is the desert habitat. Deserts are areas that receive very little rainfall, usually less than 25 centimeters annually. Deserts are dry with sand covering the whole region, as you can see in this picture. The temperatures are too high during the daytime, and in summer it can reach up to 45 degrees Celsius, and during the night time the temperatures may be too low. The animals like camel, rattlesnake, kangaroo, rat are found in the deserts, whereas plants like cactus and thorny plants are prevalent. The next type of terrestrial habitat is the mountain habitat. These regions are rocky and dry. Winds are usually dry and cold. As the height of the mountain increases, the temperatures fall down and animals are adapted to live in those cold conditions. The plants present on hills are conical and evergreen. Many climbers are found covering the huge trees. Animals like yak, bear, hill goats, flying fox are some examples of animals that are found in the mountain habitat. The last type of terrestrial habitat is the polar habitat. Polar habitats are very cold. These regions are covered with high snowy peaks, as you can see in this picture. Animals like polar bears, penguins, seals, snow foxes and fishes that can live in ice-cold water are commonly found in the polar habitat, whereas mosses, lichens, grasses and dwarf woody shrubs are some plants which are found in the polar habitats. So, in this video, we have studied about the different types of the aquatic and terrestrial habitats and also the plants and animals that are commonly found in those habitats. Thank you, students.